Imagine a single drink that could boost your energy, clear your skin, and help you shed those stubborn pounds. Sounds too good to be true? Well, get ready to discover the Oriental Blue Tonic, a centuries-old remedy that's taking the health world by storm. Introduction. Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to Natural Home Remedy. I'm your name, and today we're diving deep into the mystical world of the Oriental Blue Tonic. This isn't just another passing fad, it's a time-tested elixir that's been used in Eastern medicine for generations. But what exactly is it, and why should you care? Stick around, because we're about to uncover the secrets that could revolutionize your health journey. What is Oriental Blue Tonic? The Oriental Blue Tonic is a unique blend of natural ingredients, carefully selected for their potent health benefits. At its core, this tonic features 1. Butterfly pea flower. This vibrant blue flower isn't just pretty, it's packed with antioxidants. 2. Ginger, a powerful anti-inflammatory root that aids digestion. 3. Lemon, rich in vitamin C, it boosts immunity and enhances nutrient absorption. 4. Honey, a natural sweetener with antibacterial properties. These ingredients work synergistically to create a powerhouse of health benefits that we'll explore in just a moment. The science behind the blue, 1:30 to 2:30 now. You might be wondering, what makes this tonic so special? Let's break it down. 1. Antioxidant powerhouse. The butterfly pea flower contains anthocyanins, potent antioxidants that combat free radicals in your body. 1. This means better cellular health and potentially slower aging. 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Both ginger and butterfly pea flower have strong anti-inflammatory effects, which can help reduce chronic inflammation, a root cause of many modern diseases. 3. Metabolic boost. The combination of ginger and lemon can help kickstart your metabolism, potentially aiding in weight management. 4. Adaptogenic effects. Some studies suggest that butterfly pea flower may have adaptogenic properties, helping your body manage stress more effectively. Health benefits now. Let's dive into the incredible benefits you might experience when incorporating Oriental Blue Tonic into your daily routine. 1. Improved digestion. The ginger in this tonic can help soothe digestive discomfort and reduce bloating. 1. Many users report feeling lighter and more comfortable after meals. 2. Enhanced cognitive function. The antioxidants in butterfly pea flower may support brain health, potentially improving memory and focus. 2. Some people even report feeling more alert and clear-headed throughout the day. 3. Radiant skin. Thanks to its high antioxidant content, this tonic could help combat skin-damaging free radicals, leading to a clearer, more youthful complexion. 4. Weight management support. The metabolism-boosting properties of ginger and lemon, combined with the blood sugar-regulating effects of the tonic, may assist in your weight loss journey. 5. Stress relief. As an adaptogen, the butterfly pea flower might help your body better cope with physical and mental stress, leading to improved overall well-being. 6. Immune system boost. The vitamin C from lemon, coupled with the antibacterial properties of honey, can give your immune system the support it needs to fight off infections. 7. Better sleep. Some users report improved sleep quality when consuming this tonic regularly, possibly due to its stress-reducing properties. 8. Detoxification. The combination of ingredients may support your body's natural detoxification processes, helping you feel cleaner and more energized from the inside out. How to prepare Oriental Blue Tonic. Now that you're excited about the benefits, let's learn how to make this magical elixir. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon dried butterfly pea flowers, 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, sliced, 1 lemon, juiced, 1 tablespoon raw honey, 2 cups of water. Instructions. 1. Bring water to a boil in a small pot. 2. Add the butterfly pea flowers and ginger slices. 3. Reduce heat and simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. 4. Remove from heat and strain into a glass. 5. Add lemon juice. Watch the color change from blue to purple. 6. Stir in honey until dissolved. 7. Let it cool slightly and enjoy. For best results, drink this tonic once or twice daily, preferably on an empty stomach in the morning or between meals. Tips for maximum benefits to get the most out of your Oriental Blue Tonic. 1. Consistency is key. Make it a daily habit for best results. 2. Quality matters. Use organic ingredients whenever possible. 3. Timing is everything. Try having it 30 minutes before meals to aid digestion. 4. Experiment. Adjust the ratios to find your perfect blend. 5. Stay hydrated. This tonic works best when you're well hydrated throughout the day. 6. Pair with a healthy lifestyle. Combine with a balanced diet and regular exercise for optimal results. Precautions and side effects. While the Oriental Blue Tonic is generally safe for most people, it's important to keep a few things in mind. 1. Allergies. If you're allergic to any of the ingredients, avoid this tonic. 2. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Consult your healthcare provider before use. 3. Medication interactions. The tonic may interact with certain medications, so check with your doctor if you're on any prescriptions. 4. Moderation. As with anything, don't overdo it. 4. Stick to the recommended serving. 5. Individual reactions. Everyone's body is different, so pay attention to how you feel and adjust accordingly. Conclusion and call to action. There you have it, folks, the incredible Oriental Blue Tonic. This ancient remedy could be the key to unlocking your body's full potential. Why not give it a try and see how it transforms your health? If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about natural remedies, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And hey, let me know in the comments if you've tried the Oriental Blue Tonic and how it's working for you. Until next time, stay healthy and keep it natural.